What's up, everyone? Got myself here a camera that was actually shipped to me by a company. They wanted me to test it out. First in a while, the company sent me something, but ended up getting it in the mail. Came right away too. Somehow Amazon shipped it to me, but I didn't buy it on Amazon. And it's weird because Amazon has no return address, but you can track where it came from. You know it came from warehouse. But I'm going to be unbiased. I think it was only like 40 or 50 bucks. So it's not up there with the $200 cameras, but it has almost all the same features. So I'm really curious. I've seen a few of the photos of how good it comes in. And I have a use for this. So I'm going to try it out. That's the packing slip, just as if I bought it from Amazon, which is kind of cool. Here's the little camera itself. And I'm not going to be slandering it because it's only 50 bucks compared to the $200 one. Because I did see the mount on it, which would be great. Nobody's going to steal it. But it's not my style. But the features are definitely my style. This little cute thing. It is battery powered. We're going to see if we can run it plugged in. That'd be nice. I'm going to go ahead and scan that before we start opening it. That way I can get the download going. Because I don't have anything from this company in terms of products. This is the CG6. I'm going to go ahead and get my phone out. Go into my web browser. And click scan. And then I can scan barcode. And it worked very quickly. Well, I got sneeze. Cough. Oh, sorry about that. Hopefully you guys are looking at this in the meantime. Here's the app. 50K downloads. This is at the current moment what it looks like. Let's go ahead. I don't want that. I wanted to open it. Okay, I guess it was already open. Let's go ahead and click install. I'm sure I'm going to have to make an account. I want to see the pictures. Here's the pictures. They almost look like a professional photo for like remodeling houses. There is cloud storage on here, and I do not know how any of it works because, again, I've never had anything from this company. It's already installed. Quick. That was quick. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. In this video, we are going to be setting it up. And then I will do a 1 month test on it, darkness test. I'll be doing it all. And what everybody loves is a 6 month test. That rattle kind of sounded like just clips to hold a wire or something. Doesn't really feel like that's the product wiggling around in there. Gosh, I'm really coffee today. Okay, what was wiggling is this. The mount. It's plastic, it's not ceramic or anything. It does feel pretty thick. I think it would definitely hold up. Tear it apart a little bit, just check it out. 3 holes for screws. That's also plastic geared. Again, it's not a $200 product. All it's got to do is be basically put up once and work for a really long time. Also going to check the sunlight if it can handle being really hot, but currently right now it's only like 30 degrees outside. I do like that it's got that type of mount because that's a normal camera mount, tripod mount, and you can do a lot with that. Looks like you can turn it any way you want. Up and down at least. It will not go to the side. Oh, there we go. It was just on there too much. We have a USB-A to USB-C, about 3 foot. That's what I'm going to say. There's the screws for it. Even has the things to put it into drywall or concrete. Yeah, it's 4 screws in it. There's 4 screws in here. This only holds 3. 1, 2, 3. Manual. Smart wireless camera, quick start guide, CG6. Nice, has pictures, and this is long. If you guys want to read this, pause it, screenshot it, and then look at your screenshots. I'm going to go ahead and just go like this. I may pause the video a little bit to look it up a little bit, to see what I'm missing. Did I give you the English side? Okay, the other side is in, almost looks Korean. I don't know what that is. But looks like it's the same stuff, same pictures. Even the pictures are in another language. That's pretty nice for the people that are not English. Okay, what do we got left in here? Looks like just the camera. Whew, you tell it has a nice sized battery in there. Is that it? Well, that's pretty nice. No charge brick, but that's all right. I think everybody in the world should have a charge brick right now. Putting that to the side. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, it's just twisted. Guess that works. Has a good weight to it. I would almost say it's a little bit heavier than a baseball, or maybe just like a baseball. I feel like I could throw this through somebody's window. Okay, and my foot's falling asleep. Perfect time. Perfect timing. Okay, it looks like there may be a QR code below my thumb to scan it to set it up. We do have a nice peel off. I normally don't peel off the front of stuff. I leave it on there to keep it all nice and fresh, but the sun is just going to damage it anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. It even has cuts in it so it pulls off and doesn't like stretch. The material on the front definitely is going to be easily scratched and fingerprinted. That's all right. Looks like we got an LED sensor there and maybe a nighttime sensor there. I like that it's in the front and not hidden. It could have been a little bit glazed over, but it's nice that it's there, because some of the products I have from other companies, it's hidden, and if the light doesn't hit it right, it doesn't work right. I'm even talking about a Google product there. The sides are nice and sleek. Looks like you got the mount to screw in on the bottom or the top. And just because it has this type of mount does not mean you can't mount it some other way. There's a lot of adapters that screws in all the way, and then you just tighten this, and then you can just mount it. I would have mounted it first, and then it just unscrews. Let's make sure it screws into both of them, make sure the threads are all right. I'm also looking to see if that insert is actually going to stay in there. Sometimes metal inserts in plastic don't quite work very good. Okay, that's cute. That's probably how I'm going to use it. I have a plan to use it. It's kind of front heavy, but I think we could adjust it somehow. And then it's looking up, so it will not balance. It's kinda, you guys can't really see that, but see, it's kind of offset backwards. If you want it to look straight ahead, I would say it's off balance. Yeah, so that could have been moved a little bit more forward to make that a bit easier. It looks like if you don't over tighten it, the inserts will stay in there pretty nice. The insert on the back is actually a nicer one. It'll probably stay in there forever, but this one isn't a, it's just almost like a Healy coil, if you know what that's called, but that one's clear through, has a point on it, may have a little bit more contact with the plastic. Looks like this may be where we charge it. Kind of looks like a key icon. Maybe it's saying use your key to open this. I would say that makes it also waterproof. Whoa, there's a lot under here. So we have I don't know what that one is. I gotta read the manual. Looks like we have a power button, a 5-volt DC USB to charge, a SD card slot. Again, it does have cloud storage, but I think it also stores on there. I think if you don't have the cloud storage, which you probably have to pay for, it will save it on there, and maybe you can access it with your phone. And then I have no clue what that top one is right there. Here, see if I can point to it with the knife. Right there, I have no clue what that one is. Let's see if it has any power.